With you, the sun is shining 24/7.
Hello everyone, I'm Jujani and today's topic is blackheads and how you can take care of them. Blackheads are these black bumpy things that appear on your face, and they're a type of acne that appears on your skin due to clogged hair follicles from dead skin cells and oil. Sadly, you can't fully get rid of them, but you can reduce them by following these do's and don'ts. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and let's start talking about it, starting with don'ts. Number 1, don't forcefully remove them, especially with your fingernails and using floss. Forcefully removing those blackheads will lead to scarring and bruising. Also, it's not very sanitary and most people overdo it, causing your pores to grow bigger. Following up with number 1, number 2, don't use any tools. Don't use tools to extract blackheads if you're not a professional. And by tools, I mean vacuums, suctions, pore strips, and things like that. It would be best if you don't use them because you're not using the correct process to extract the blackheads. And because of that, you could get scars, it could lead to irritation and infection, causing more blackheads and acne around that area. So what can we do? Let's talk about the do's. Number 1, use specific treatments. If you're suffering from blackheads and other types of acne, try using BHA, also known as BAHA, retinoid, and salicylic acids. They help with oil control, help break down materials that clog your pores like excess oil, and help clear out your pores. Number 2, use lightweight products. Like I said before, clogged pores from oil creates blackheads. If you have oily skin, adding more oil and heavy skincare will create more blackheads and clogged pores. So instead, try using water-based products. Water-based products are lighter and they are not going to clog your pores as much while still providing some hydration to your skin. So for example, you can use gel cleansers and gel moisturizers to moisturize your face. Number 3, exfoliate. We recommend using clay masks if you have oily skin. The clay mask will absorb the excess oil, tighten your pores, and remove dead skin cells. We recommend removing dirt and oil on your skin, and this is a safe way to remove or make the blackheads appear less on your skin. Since blackheads appear when your pores are clogged with dead skin cells and oil, removing those excess oil will help. And I personally love doing this method. I grab my favorite gentle oil cleanser and rub it on the areas that needs some melting and massage it for 3 to 5 minutes, and it melts away. It works. Number 4, use sunscreens. Extensive UV exposure can lead to enlarged pores. We want to minimize the size of the pores, so apply a fair amount of sunscreen on your skin. Even if you don't wear makeup or not out in the hot sun, always carry a sunscreen with you. Sunscreen is a must. Like I've mentioned previously, you can't fully get rid of your blackheads, but you can minimize the appearance by tightening your pores and learning how to prevent those holes from clogging again. That's it from me. What are methods that you like to use to get rid of your blackheads? Let us know in the comments below and share your secret. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this helpful. Give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!